Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's first question is if 5 to the power x minus 2 into 3 into the power 2x minus 3 equal to 135, so find the value of x. So just see how to solve. This is class 9 question, first chapter, exponents. Okay, so you can say also number system also. Okay, so now see 5 to the power x minus 2 then into 3 to the power 2x minus 3, that is equal to 135. So now see how to solve. So now see 5 to the power x divided by 5 to the power 2. I can write it 5 to the power x minus 2. So this negative will be sign, this will be in division form. So now into 3 to the power, that would be 2x, and then 3 to the power 3. So that is equal to 135. Now see 5 to the power x into 3 to the power 2x, that would be equal to 135 into, now see this and this will come in this side, right, in the right side. So 5 to the power 2, that means 25, and 3 to the power 3, that means 27, right? So now see, like 5 to the power x and 3 to the power 2x. Now see, like 5 to the power x into see 3 to the power 2x, how can I write 3 to the power 2 and whole to the power x? That means that is equal to now 135 into 25. Now see, so now see 5 to the power x into 3 to the power 2x, that would be equal to 5 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 6. Now see 5 to the power x, you can equate it this one 5 to the power 3, that means x equal to 3. Or you can do one thing, 3 to the power 2x and 3 to the power 6, that means 2x will be equal to 6, and in that case also x will come as 3, right? So now the question is asking find the value of x. So therefore x equal to 3. So that is the answer. So now see the next question is saying that 5 into 8 to the power 1 by 3 plus 27 to the power 1 by 3 and then whole cube, and then again cube, again in bracket to the power 1 by 4. Okay, so now see how to solve this thing. So like I will write it like this way. 8 means 2 to the power 3, that means 3 into 1 by 3, 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 3, then plus, that means 27 means 3 to the power 3. So now again that would come 1 by 3. So again 3 and then in bracket 1 by 4. Now see, like 3 and 3 is 3 will get cancelled out. So see 5, then it would come 2 to the power 1 means 2 plus, and then 3 get cancelled out. So now 3 and again in bracket and then to the power 3 and to the power 1 by 4. Now see, this is very easy question. Now see 2 plus 3, that means 5 to the power 3, and here also 5 to the power 1. So now see, you already know this power will be get added, right, if the base is similar. So 1 plus 3 and this would come 1 by 4. So now 5 to the power 4 and again power will be multiplied, you already know. So it would come 5, right, because 4 cancelled out. So 5 is the answer. So this is very easy question. Like see here हम लोग ने जो फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया है इसका आप लोग ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि जैसे a टू दी पावर लाइक m, ठीक है ना, इंटू a टू दी पावर n, ठीक है ना, तो क्या हो जाता है ये a टू दी पावर m प्लस n, राइट। और आप ये भी कह सकते हो कि लाइक a टू द पावर m होल टू द पावर n, तो ये क्या हो जाता है, a टू द पावर m n, राइट, बिकॉज पावर विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड। तो ये सब जो फार्मूलाज है, ये सब बेसिक फार्मूलाज होते हैं, इसको हम लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। ओके, तो ये ज़्यादा बड़ी बात कोई नहीं है, ठीक है ना। आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो। तो आप लोग सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा, और यदि क्वेश्चन अलग से दिखना है तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं, ठीक है। इसका भी एक स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा, ठीक है, बाद में देखने के लिए, ठीक है। ओके, थैंक यू गाइस, आई होप you liked the video, and then like, comment, subscribe. Okay, please share it, and okay, bye.